Here we are at example 8 from our 8.4 set of notes. We're asked to simplify this rational expression being divided by this rational expression. Now, right away, what we can go ahead and do is go ahead and factor these items. Before we actually did the switch first, for this one, we'll go ahead and actually break these each down. So we end up then with x minus 2 times x minus 2 for this top left one over here. For the bottom left one, we end up with x minus 2 times x plus 1. And really this 2x squared minus 8 is technically considered a rational expression because we can rewrite this 2x squared minus 8 as 2x squared minus 8 over 1. And so, again, we're just keeping this as a division symbol. But we can go ahead and break down this top right one by pulling a 2 out. And we would end up with x squared minus 4 over 1. We can't break down 1, it's still just 1. Now, we can't break this down even further. We'll go ahead and rewrite the first piece. So x minus 2 times x minus 2 over x minus 2 is x plus 1. Yeah, you can go ahead and cancel items, but for the sake of, keeping a nice flow with things, we'll go ahead and cancel all at one time. We would end up then with breaking down this difference of two squares, where it's x plus 2 times x minus 2 all over 1. So right there, what we've gone ahead and done is factored things as much as possible. Now, there's kind of a variety of ways that you can continue on from here. Typically, what would normally happen is we would go ahead and flip these two items. But you could also go ahead and cancel these. Now, I want to emphasize that I recommend you do the flip first. And the reason for that is so that you don't accidentally cancel something that should not be canceled. So, for example, actually this case doesn't really have one, but you will see something cancel again in a moment. So, we'll just see that in a second. Right here we would have x minus 2 over that x plus 1. And again, we're going to flip this guy, the second piece. We have 1 on top, the 2 times the x plus 2 times x minus 2 on the bottom. And instead of a division symbol, we're going to change that to that multiplication. Now, again, a moment ago I said something else is going to cancel, and this is really why I recommend you do the flip, because you might have missed a cancellation that could have happened. So I would just, again, first thing, break things down as much as possible, then do a flip if you need to, and then do cancellations. So this x minus 2 is now going to go ahead and drop. And it looks like that's the only thing that can. So we're kind of just left then with this 1 over, I'm going to go ahead and throw the number in front of everything. 2 times x plus 1 times x plus 2. So this would actually be our simplified version. Again, though, that is example 8 from our 8.4 set of notes.